cPanel is a control panel. It is like a control panel of your hosting. Okay, so cPanel has several features like analytics, let's say domains. I mean, there are several features of cPanel control panel which helps you manage your hosting, your website to the best effective way. Okay, a basic structure, like a basic the basic interface of cPanel would be like this, that it involves lots of features, like lots of functions like files. You can access file manager, you can access application installers like soft callers, Installatron, and many more. And one such feature in cPanel is emails. So with cPanel control panel, you get to make your free domain based emails. Yeah, so according to your hosting plan, you will be able to create that much number of email accounts. For example, this is my basic hosting, which has like a limit of emails of 30, so I can make 30 email accounts, and so on and so forth. Now sometimes you might want to change hosting plans from one hosting plan to other, and you might want to transfer your emails from one hosting plan to the other hosting plan. So in cPanel, how do you transfer emails? Like sometimes there are a bunch of emails, there are so many things involved, and you really don't have any idea how to go further for that. Now I am specially making this video for this one, so that you will be able to migrate your cPanel emails without asking somebody to do it for you. Okay, so first thing is that you need to verify what email address you want to migrate. For example, in this case, I have admin@techdecipher.com. I am gonna simply paste it here, and after this I will just go to, this is a hosting. Okay, this is the hosting A, and this is my server, which is, let's say, hosting 2. Okay, and from here, from hosting A, you will need to go to file manager, open in new thread, and after when the file manager is opened, go to mail directory. From mail directory, go to the domain in question. For example, I want to migrate this email, admin@techdecipher.com. So I will need to browse the techdecipher.com directory. For example, this one. I'll go into that, and whatever the email that I want to migrate, I will click on that. So as I shared before, I wanted to migrate admin@techdecipher.com. So I'll just click on this folder, admin, and you need to copy this one, zip this folder. Okay, compress, zip this folder, and once the folder is zipped, you need to download this one, and you save it in your download section. Okay, so half of the stuff is done. Now go back to your the target hosting where you want to deploy this backup. So go to this email section of that particular destination hosting. Okay, so you check your download section, verify the file is downloaded. This is downloaded on my end, and you go back to the target hosting, go to this email section, go to email accounts, and from there you need to create the email account in the target hosting if you do not have the email account created already. So I do not have any email account created. I will just click on create account and enter this. I will go with the same name and set a password, create account. The account is created. Now you need to go back to the file manager again. Remember that we are doing this all steps on the target hosting, on the destination hosting. Now from this file manager, navigate to the mail folder as we did in the hosting A, and from here you verify what domain you need to verify what domain the account is created on. Like for example, this is the domain name. So from file manager mail directory, you need to select the same folder, same domain name as you can see in this folder name. Okay, and from here you see this admin directory. You need to delete this one because it does not have any content. Click on upload, and you need to paste the same directory as we downloaded from. So I'll just click on upload, select file, and where is that? Yeah, it is here. It's uploading. Let's wait for that. Depending upon your internet service provider speed, it would take time. So yeah, so let's wait for that. Meanwhile it is uploading, I would like to tell you that cPanel emails are not meant for business purposes. Yeah, you heard it right. So there is a little confusion as to, like, I mean, lots of people confuse cPanel email with that, you know, using it as a professional emails. So the problem is that cPanel emails were never meant for the professional use. For example, do you see this default email? This, I mean, the cPanel emails are always meant for communicating between server to server. Like if any issue, if service, if one of the service in the server fails to you know, accomplish some task, then that particular service will send the message to the cPanel emails. So it works like that. So it is server to server communication, not like a professional use. For example, you see Office 365 emails, like I can tell you, domain based emails. So you know, Google Workspace is one domain based email provider. Zoho, GoDaddy's Office 365 emails. So these are all the paid options, but lots of users go to cPanel emails because it is very affordable, it is free, but also it also has a very latency issues, queue issues. Because being in the industry, I have seen lots of issues with this cPanel emails. But that's all. Like if you are in shared hosting, then there will be problems. Yeah, so coming back to where we were, yeah, it is uploaded, and as you can see, this yeah, so this folder is there, uploaded folder. You need to extract that folder, clicking here. Okay, extraction is done. I think I did not extract it. Let's reload. Okay, yeah, it is done. Okay, fine. So when you're done with the extraction, go back to the email which you just created and refresh. Maybe you want to refresh here. Okay, so yeah, now do you see this? You must see the change. It was 0 earlier, now it is 8.27 MB, which is the same size of the A hosting. Okay, now click on webmail, like go to check mail, open, and voila, you see the same emails as you have on your A hosting. I'll just walk you through that. Click on check mail. Okay, load. Okay, yeah, so 1180, note the numbers, 1180 emails on the A hosting and 1180 emails on the B hosting. So that is how you migrate cPanel emails manually. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to get to know awesome tech related information like this, then please visit my website. Open your favorite browser, type techdecipher.com, browse the website, bookmark the page, and thank you for your time.